Anything I wanna do, I won't take no shit from you. I don't care if you don't like me. Do you think I really care? Let's go! Come on, let's go and start a riot. I like to make noise, I hate to be quiet. They can't tell me what to do. Cause I will never ever lose. Let's go!
Cheers for coming back. It's only going to be a short one this week. It's nice to be back in t-shirt weather rather than wearing hoodies and underlayers all the time while I'm in my barn. I've just changed all the studs out to ARP stuff, so now everything will, you know, seal up properly as it should. Got the carburetor bolted back on. Then I just need to build the linkage kit for it. Otherwise, I've got rid of all the stuff out the engine bay it didn't need now, like all the extra hoses. All the heating stuff's gone out of the bay. So in theory, it should now, a couple of bits and bats, it should run and drive properly again. I had to pull everything off so that I could put these fittings and stuff back in. So they've all been put back in. I need a blank for this and a hose for this. That's it. They can go back on once everything else is built back up. So the line that I'm about to change used to be a hard line, and there's a barb now inside the intake manifold. What I'm going to have to do is just trim down the barb just so that the new hose will fit over the top of it. As you can see, I use my best safety squints. I'm just marking up valve covers. We aren't gaskets or anything in yet because there's going to be a breather in each side, and I'm not too sure whether I should maybe get a catch can for the firewall and then have them both routed from here straight to it, and then this one down the side, round the back, and then to it. There's something oddly satisfying about having an engine that's pretty clean and bright and shiny in a truck, because this is what the rest of it looks like. Sorry, it's a short one this week. I've not really had much time to get down to the barn and actually work on the truck, but I'm still trying to stick to my schedule of like once a week I'm going down doing something, no matter how small it is, just going down there and actually getting on with it and doing it. So yeah, I've got a new camera. This is the first thing I've filmed on it. I don't know if it's any good or not yet. I'm still kind of getting to grips with all the kind of the mic and everything that's in there and the editing stuff that comes with it. But yeah, it's new. I'm going to try and do a little bit more, get some more angles while I'm filming, be a bit more, you know, up and close with stuff, as well as still having, like, you know, shots from like I would before. So hopefully there'll be a little bit more production value to videos going forward. But I mainly bought it because I've got a bunch of traveling booked for this year. I'm going back out to America for nearly a month. I'm going to be working for a few weeks, and then in between I'm going to try and film a bunch of kind of trips that I'm doing on my own while I'm out there. I'm hoping to get like 5 or 6 good ones out in say May that are all based around different stuff in America, and that ranging from kind of Utah to Nevada to Colorado, California, and anywhere else that I can kind of squeeze in between. Take to all the really cool Americana kind of roadside attraction stuff, see some cool car collections that I know about, see some cool places like Cerro Gordo and stuff, the ghost mining town in the mountains, and just see Death Valley and all that sort of stuff. So that'll be everything in May. And then September we're in California, as well as then driving back up to Utah for a wedding. So I'm going to try and see a bunch of stuff up in the mountains in Utah at that point, a bit of everything, and have a bit of fun with it. I thought I'd change up the music and stuff this week and see what that were like, and like an intro to the videos. I'm not sure if I like it yet, but my mate described the music I was using before as something that made him physically sick. So I thought I'd change it up to something that at least I like. Like, I like Gigi Allen. I don't know if anyone else does, but yeah, I thought I'd change them up, see what people thought. But appreciate you watching. Have a good week, guys. Thank you.